It's spring, and we're gonna cook on our Ninja Woodfire Grill. But first, we need to blow away all these buds off the trees because it's ridiculously windy today. And we're gonna use our handy dandy Bauer 20-volt leaf blower. This thing is amazing. We gotta clean this up first. So here we go. We don't want any tree buds in our food, right?
Well, they may get in there.
All right, so we're gonna grill some sausage on here tonight. And I'm not gonna use a chart, I'm just gonna turn it on, do it how I want. It is clean. Now, we have used this thing 3 times this week already, right?
Yeah,
this is the 4th.
This is insane. We've been using this thing like crazy
So
last
easy.
year.
We love it. It's just like the best time of year. So we're gonna turn her on. She tells us hello. And I think I'm just gonna do low, 13 minutes. Seems fine to me. Hit start and let her preheat. And we're gonna cut up our sausage and get to cooking. All right, it is time to add our food. First, we're going to use some avocado oil because this stuff will do high heat. And I'm gonna put a good amount on here. Hopefully it doesn't all go down the thing. No. All right, so we're gonna add sausage that we've went ahead and seasoned with our favorite seasoning. He can link it. And then we've got peppers and onions. I foresee myself dropping something.
I'm gonna stand back a little bit.
Just do a little bit at a time. You can cut these whatever size you want. We like bite-sized pieces.
Now, how many of these did you cut up?
So this is 4 of the, I don't know what you even call it.
The sausages?
Yeah, like the long piece of sausage, it's 4 of those. So basically, when you go to like Walmart, you usually get 2 in a package, so this would be 2 full packages.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're gonna have
This stuff is hitting me from the tree.
So we're
It's
just gonna
windy
get them
today.
on here, make sure everything's touching the grill, and then close the lid because we don't want to eat tree buds. And we'll check it in a little bit.
And I want to say something else.
Oh,
There's
good.
something else we noticed with the Ninja. We got new phones, and it doesn't have the app for your watch anymore.
So the Galaxy Watch doesn't have the app for Ninja.
So if anybody knows how to sideload that or whatever, that would be awesome to know.
That was one good thing with the Apple, it would tell us.
Yeah, when it's done, and you would know when to flip, when it's done everything from your watch, which was really handy.
Yeah.
All right, we'll let these cook a little bit and get back to you.
If they are smaller pieces, you don't want them to get too burnt. It smells so good with the peppers and onions and that seasoning.
We'll check them again here in a little bit. You like that?
Smells so good. But they look done. It does not take them very long at all. So we're gonna get these off the grill, get them in the house before we have to actually eat tree buds. Oh,
There went
one. Oh, there went another.
Oh my gosh. No.
She hasn't found it yet.
It's gonna be hot too.
I think next time I won't cut them into such small pieces out here. We'll see.
This is how she cooks them inside.
Yeah. I never claimed to be a professional chef. I am a professional mess maker though, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
You want me to hold the tray?
it is getting heavy.
Like, I got it.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Unless you burn me,
Well,
then I may not have it. Like you,
I'm trying to go over on this other side.
I,
We had to pick the windiest day of the year.
hey, this was your idea.
No, it was good intentions. Okay,
Okay, guys. 3 days in a row on the Ninja.
this will be fourth.
We have been using this for a year now.
Yeah, this is our second season.
And this thing has just been amazing.
Gotta turn it off. Goodbye.
We don't have to have propane anymore.
I don't have to be afraid of it.
It's so easy. We just came out here and turned it on. It's easy to clean. It's easy to use. So we're gonna enjoy some delicious food. Thank you, Ninja. Thank you, Amanda. And thank you to all of our subscribers. Please like, subscribe, click the bell for notification.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yummy.
You stole my line. Oh, we gotta get in. We're gonna be eating.